You trusted her completely. You gave her your loyalty, your time, your vulnerability, and then you found out she cheated. Maybe you saw the messages. Maybe she confessed. Maybe someone else told you. But in that moment, your world collapsed. The rage, the confusion, the images you can't get out of your head, the feeling that you weren't enough, the shame of feeling like a fool. If you're watching this right now, I know exactly where you are, and I want you to hear something important. What you're feeling right now is completely valid. This isn't a video telling you to just get over it. This isn't about pretending it doesn't hurt. Because it does hurt. It's supposed to hurt. When someone breaks your trust, when someone you loved betrays you, that pain is real. And any man telling you otherwise has never been through it. But here's what I'm going to show you in the next 10 minutes. How to take that pain and transform it. How to use Stoic wisdom to not just survive this, but to come out the other side stronger, wiser, and more unshakable than you've ever been. Because the ancient Stoics dealt with betrayal too, and they figured out something powerful. You can't control what she did, but you have complete control over who you become after this. So if you're ready to stop being a victim and start rebuilding yourself into someone even better, stay with me. Let's do this together. First, let's deal with the lie your brain is telling you right now. The lie that says if you were good enough, attractive enough, man enough, she wouldn't have cheated. That lie that's eating you alive, making you question everything about yourself. Here's the truth. Her cheating has nothing to do with your worth as a man. Nothing. Cheating is a choice. It's a character issue, not a you issue. She didn't cheat because you weren't enough. She cheated because when faced with temptation, when faced with a difficult moment, she chose herself over integrity. That's on her character, not your value. Think about it logically. If cheating was about the other person not being enough, then nobody would ever cheat on attractive people, successful people, or good partners. But they do, all the time. Celebrities get cheated on. Millionaires get cheated on. Great men get cheated on. Because cheating isn't about what you lack. It's about what she lacked. Loyalty, integrity, self-control. Marcus Aurelius, literally the emperor of Rome, dealt with rumors that his wife was unfaithful, the most powerful man in the world. And you know what he wrote? He focused on what he could control. His own character, his own actions, his own response. You need to separate her actions from your identity. What she did reveals who she is. It doesn't define who you are. You're still the same man you were before this happened. Your value didn't decrease because she made a choice that showed her lack of character. Stop carrying her failure as if it's yours. You were loyal. You were committed. You showed up. That speaks to your character. Her betrayal speaks to hers. Those are two completely separate things. Now let's talk about where your power actually is, because right now you're probably spending all your energy in the wrong places. Epictetus taught the most liberating lesson in philosophy. Some things are in your control, and some things are not. And your healing starts the moment you understand the difference. Here's what you cannot control. The fact that she cheated. Why she did it. Whether she feels guilty. What she tells other people. Whether she comes back. What people think about the situation. Her future actions. Her feelings. Any of it. Zero control. Here's what you can control. How you respond to this. Whether you stay or leave. Who you become after this. Your boundaries going forward. Your self-respect. Your healing process. Your future. 100% control. Right now, you're probably obsessing over the things you can't control. Why did she do it? Was he better than me? What was she thinking? Is she sorry? Does she miss me? And every minute you spend on those questions is a minute you're giving away your power. Because here's the hard truth. Even if you got the answers to all those questions, it wouldn't change anything. It wouldn't undo what happened. It wouldn't take away the pain. It would just keep you stuck in her story instead of writing your own. The Stoics would tell you this: focus your energy only on what you can control. And what you can control is everything that matters. You can control whether you respect yourself enough to walk away from someone who disrespected you. You can control whether you use this pain as fuel or let it destroy you. You can control whether this breaks you or builds you. Stop asking why she did it. Start asking who you're going to become now. Here's what nobody tells you about betrayal. It can be the catalyst that transforms your entire life. Not because betrayal is good, but because it forces you to rebuild yourself from the ground up. And when you rebuild, you get to choose what kind of man you become. Marcus Aurelius said, "The obstacle is the way." What he meant was that our struggles aren't blocking our path, they are the path. This betrayal, as painful as it is teaching you something invaluable. It's teaching you about boundaries, about self-respect, about the difference between loyalty and codependency, about your own strength. Every man who's been through this and come out the other side says the same thing. I'm grateful it happened. Not because it didn't hurt, but because it forced them to level up, to raise their standards, to stop accepting disrespect, to become the kind of man who doesn't tolerate betrayal because he knows his worth. That's who you're becoming right now, whether you realize it or not. This pain you're feeling, it's not breaking you, it's forging you. Like metal in fire, you're being transformed into something stronger, harder to break, more valuable. 6 months from now, if you do the work, you're going to look back at this moment and realize it was the beginning of your best chapter. Not because she left, but because you found yourself. You found your self-respect. You found your standards. You found your strength. The Stoics believed that we don't control what happens to us, but we control what we become because of it. She made her choice. Now you get to make yours. You can either let this destroy you, or you can use it to build the strongest version of yourself you've ever been. I know which choice you're going to make, because you're still here. You're still fighting. You're still looking for the way forward. And that tells me everything I need to know about your character. You're going to make it through this. You're going to be okay. Better than okay. You're going to be unbreakable. If you're going through this right now, I want you to know something. You're not alone. Thousands of men have walked this path before you, and thousands are walking it with you right now. We see you. We've been there. And we're telling you from the other side, it gets better. Much better. Drop a comment below if you need support or if you've been through this and made it to the other side. This community is here for you. We lift each other up. And if this video helped you even a little bit, hit that subscribe button. Because I make videos like this every week to help men build unshakable mindsets and unshakable lives. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Remember, she broke your trust. Don't let her break your spirit. You're stronger than you know. Let's keep building. See you in the next video.